家好，我是尤欣怡，我伫等台内底播的是17岁、37岁，啊，佮有57岁的何田良，这位神秘的查某囡仔，到底有啥物款的故事呢？9月7号，请收看等台伫公司台语台等你哦。
一个人伫咧20、30岁的时阵，应该是当伫发展家己的思想体系的时阵，你煞无用伫咧学波波摩佛，实在是了然啊！别个呀咯！
In 1947, amidst the turmoil of the 2228 incident, Kimura, a 19-year-old young man, and Wada Leo in her 50s find themselves in an unexpected encounter. 20 years later, Kimura continues his quest, driven by